Hey, do you want to learn how to use WinRAR to extract files on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first you need to install the WinRAR. We're going to go over to Google and search for WinRAR. The first option, click on it. Then download WinRAR. Click on download WinRAR again. And now the WinRAR is downloaded. And we're going to click on the .exe file to install it. So you can select the destination folder here, and you can browse it and select it, then install it from here. I've already installed it, so I'm going to open it up here. So inside this, these are the buttons, and it shows you what it does for each of them. On the top, you can click on File and get all these options for commands, tools, favorites, and options. Inside options, you can select on settings, and inside here you got the settings, so the general, compression, etc. One thing I like about this is integration. Inside here you get associate WinRAR with. You can select RAR file, tar file, 7z, and you also have the option to enable or disable ISO. Most people have a problem with extracting the ISO file. So you can do so with WinRAR. You just need to go over to integration and select it from here. You can also type in some user-defined archive extensions here. And once done, click on OK. Now I'm going to close this and go over to my folder. This is a .zip file. I just have to right-click it, hover on WinRAR, and then extract here. Or you can also extract to the same name, but it's going to create a folder of it. So like here it says golden year. And if I do extract to golden year like this, it's going to create a folder, and all the things that are inside the zip file is going to put it inside that folder, which is really neat. Because if you just right click it, hover on this, WinRAR, and extract here, and you do this for a lot of the other files, it's going to mess up this specific folder. So it's best to right click, hover on WinRAR, and extract to a dedicated folder, which makes more sense. So yeah, that's it. That's how to use WinRAR to extract files on your computer. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment.